Have you ever wanted to see some results with Forex trading robots? And I mean real life results. Well, stay tuned because in this video, it's exactly what I'm about to share with you. Hi there, my name is Errol Muller. I've been a Forex trader and online marketer, working online, building a business online since the year 2015, call it 2014, 2015. And what I'm about to share with you is stuff that and information that I've gathered and discovered and worked with since the year, to call it the year 2015. So it's over 7 years, or about 7 years. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I've learned. I'm on my website, and I want you to go to this website. It's called errolmuller.com. There you can see errolmuller.com. And I would like for you to browse around. You can go to the home tab, videos, Forex trading, investments, make money online, about, contact, and so forth. And if you want to get in contact with me, you're more than welcome to. Firstly, before we get started, very important, give this video a like. Just give it a like. If you want to subscribe, it's up to you. I'm not going to force you to, but just give this video a like. And the reason I'm asking you to do that is it helps this video to rank within YouTube, and it helps more individuals like yourself to come across this video and become part of what it is that I'm sharing with you. Very, very powerful knowledge. And then again, knowledge is power. Call it about 90%. 100% applied. The word applied knowledge is power. So that's it from me. Let's get right into it. So what I want to do within this video, I quickly want to share with you. So on my website, when you head over to the Forex trading tab, then you click Forex robots, it will bring you to a page that's got Forex robots within it. Now, these are Forex robots that I trust, that I believe in. I own some of these, to be honest with you, and I'm going to show you their live performance. And I want to do it on a daily basis to show you how you can create for yourself like a passive income. Meaning, if you want to withdraw money from your investments every single month, then this is the way to go about it. So I've got numerous other sources and investments on my website that you can check out under investments, how to make money online. That's the make money online tab. But for this particular video, we are going to focus on robots. And let's get right into it. So I'm going to open every single one of these. So what you do is just head over to my website. You can click the link of any one of these. Okay, so this one is now opening directly. I did not want to do that. I'm going to open multiple tabs. Just bear with me. You won't be able to see it now, but I am physically opening up multiple tabs. And I'm going to share the live results with you for every single one of these robots, the daily gains. Okay, so there we go. Let's head over to the first tab. That tab is this one. It's called the FX Stabilizer. Very, very consistent, very, very stabilized. And I want to head down to the live trading results. As you can see, these are live statistics, and these are verified accounts within my FX book. So my FX book is where you can track the performance and the history of a Forex trading robot, especially if it's live. It's even better, meaning it's real money. Okay, so let's head over to this one, the FX Stabilizer, US CAD. I'm going to open up that tab. Sorry, let me just close it. I'm going to click it, open up that tab for this one, and let's have a look at it quickly over the last, how many years? Look at that consistency, guys. You can play around with a balance, profit, drawdown. I'm not going to get into drawdown and all the details. I just wanted to share with you the daily results. So this robot's been going since 2018. It is now the year 2022. And if I click on the history tab, you will see for the day of the 14th of this month, the 14th of July, it had a 4.7% plus a 0.2% gain, and that will give you what, a 4.96% gain for that day. And then you can go back, then you can look at the 5th. So the 5th, it had a small loss, another small loss, and another small loss. But then if you look again, there's another trade on the 14th. It had a small loss, and then it jumps back to the 5th. And then you can go and literally calculate these daily returns. So if I had to go and let's work only on close date. Let's forget about the open date. Let's work on close date. So I'm going to go and quickly, just for this robot, and then you can do the calculations for yourself for the rest of these robots. So for the 14th, and I'm looking at the gain tab right here. So it's a 4.76 plus 0.2. equals, and then we have to less 0.5, less 0.62, less 0.76, less 0.98, less 1.05. Okay, so in this case, it gives me a 1.05% return for that day, which is brilliant. Then, if you head over to the next one, where it starts with the fourth, so there was only 2 closed trades for the fourth, and it ended up being if you look at these two, this one right here, this one right here, the fourth and the fourth, we had a 0.1% gain for that day. And if you scroll up on the left hand side, you can see on average over the entire time, the daily gain is about 0.17%. The monthly gain on average over time for all these years since 2018, when this robot started, is about 5.37% return monthly. Now imagine this was your investment. Think of your bank, think of your retirement, think of your pension fund. I think in the United States you guys call it a 401k. Think of your 401k. In South Africa it's a pension fund or a retirement annuity or a provident fund. But think of your gains on an annual basis, on a yearly basis. You might get 1%, 2%, maybe 7% if you're lucky. That's annually. These are monthly results. Imagine if your investment was performing at about 5.3% per month. Now, big fat disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I am none of the sort. I've got no qualifications, and these are my individual results. I'm just giving you suggestions. Do your own research before you do anything. I cannot guarantee any results. I cannot guarantee that any of these programs or anything will sustain the days of time forever. I don't know. I'm just getting that out there. So whatever you do, do it at your own risk. Okay, please. We have to do it because otherwise YouTube and the FD, I think it's the FDCA or something, they nail us hard. And I don't want to be any part of that. So like I said, do everything at your own risk and don't take me for words or anything. I'm just sharing my individual results with you. So that is it for this robot. It's called the FX Stabilizer. I could just share it with you on my website. Then you've got the next one, the Forex in Control. Let's open that one quickly. Then you've got the Forex in Control. And then here's another one. Let's quickly open up this chart right here. You can see the daily gain is about 0.16%. The monthly gain is about 5.05%. Look at that consistency, guys. Look at that. And then you can play around with the years you're at the bottom since 2018 all the way to the year 2022. And so you can continue. Then you can go on to the next one, the GPS Forex Robot. Then you can have a look at these results. For this one, so this is my own individual account that I want to share with you guys as a tester. I just want to prove something to a lot of individuals out there. At this point in time, daily it's performing at about 0.04%, and then monthly it's performing at about a 1.17%. And so you can continue with all of these Forex robots. So what I want to share with you and what I want to get to is that it's all about multiple sources of income. And you will hear me talking about this every single day, every single month, every single video that I do, every single live stream that we do. Then again, yes, if you want to be part of my live stream group where we do live streams and you can ask me any questions, I will go into more detail about all of these things and we can connect on a more personal level. I want you to head over to my website, then click on the home tab and you can just enter your email address right there. And then every single time I send out an email or I start a live stream, you will get notified of it. So always check your email and pay very close attention to the emails that you do receive from me. Now, so what I wanted to get at is it's all about making money online while you're sleeping, creating multiple sources of income. If you've got 10 investments and let's say 2 of them fell, you've got another 8 going. If you've got 1 investment, for example, your salary, your monthly income. I've also got a day job. I'm not going to lie. I've also got a day job. I work a day job, but I don't have time to sit in front of the charts. I don't have time to diversify my portfolios like consistently. invest here, invest there. I don't have time for that. And when it comes to making money online, I don't have time to go and physically do the marketing anymore like I used to do it. So everything is automated. It's all about automation for me, and we'll talk more about that in the live streams. So as you know, if you've only got one income source, for instance your salary, you're working a day job, and that day job fails, you get fired, you get laid off, what then? Move on to the next job. Okay, and then get laid off, and then move on to the next job. What if you don't find the job? What do you do then? What if you've got a family to support, kids, you've got a house to pay, you've got numerous things to pay, you've got luxuries to pay for? What about that? So think of all these things and think about your early retirement. Instead of retiring at 65, what if you could retire at the age of 40? I want you to really think about all these things and pay very close attention to what I'm saying. So that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. It's entirely up to you. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and may you have a blessed and a successful, wealthy, healthy, happy life going forward. I will see you in my next video.